Approaching the integration point now. Keep it steady.
On the starboard side.
Looks good.
Lowering sequence initiated.
Guidance.
Secure. Lift confirmed.
Moving load across Bay 3.
Mount alignment confirmed on station 4.
Copy that. Ready for torque sequence on the forward mounts.
Applying torque now.
Mounts are secure on the upper frame.
Wiring harness is seated correctly. Ready for power check.
Initiate forward sequence stabilization.
Sequence stabilized. Locking clamps engaged.
Thermal readings in Sector 4 are climbing faster than projected.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current load profile for 30 seconds.
Check the torque settings on Arm B.
Everything is within tolerance. Initiating the next cycle.
Locked. Stand by for pressure test. Readings nominal on Unit 1. Confirm secure.
Coverage looks good on section Alpha.
Confirming smooth application. No voids visible under the light.
Clearance confirmed on the left side.
Right side is green. Lift slowly.
Initiating alignment sequence. Adjusting port side elevation.
Reading green on stabilizers. Holding steady.
Confirmed. Locking sequence engaged.
The scan on Section 3 confirms structural integrity.
Data matches the schematic. Finalizing the report now.
Approved markings are in place.
Mount secured on the left side.
Confirming connection sequence complete on the right.
Central alignment verified.
Sensors secure in the avionics bay. Copy that.
Initiating the pressure cycle test now. Levels are holding steady.
Guidance systems active. Moving to installation stage.
Velocity nominal. Preparing for final alignment sequence.
All right, team, initiating forward movement now. Keep monitoring proximity sensors. Sensors are clear on my side. Adjusting input levels now. R23 is stable.
Confirmed stable. Diagnostic check complete. How are the FCS readouts looking on your end?
Stable. All parameters holding steady.
Controls check complete. Systems are nominal.
Lowering sequence initiated.
Guidance confirms alignment on the left side.
Right side clear. Proceeding with securing protocols.
Ensure alignment markers match the grid. Slowing the platform now.
Markers aligned. Locking position in 3, 2, 1.
Check the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks good. Torquing sequence initiated.
In the weapons integration area, mounting points are prepared beneath the fighter jet wings and fuselage.
Approaching the integration point now. Keep it steady. Steady as she goes. Aligning starboard side.
Moved into the final testing zone, where sensor calibration and engine diagnostics will be performed.
Ground power sequence initiated. All systems check is green.
Avionics are online and stable.
The telemetry matches the schematic. We are within the specified parameters.